In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Zoom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open the Zoom app. Go ahead and launch the Zoom application on your computer. You can usually find it by searching in your applications or on your desktop. Once it's open, you'll be greeted by the main window where you can see options to start or join meetings. Next, look for the settings. In the top right corner of the main window, you'll see a gear icon. This little settings icon is your gateway to customizing your Zoom experience. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new window filled with various settings. Now we're going to focus on finding the option for dark mode. In this settings window, look for a section called General. This is typically where you can find various basic settings for your app. Scroll down a little, and you should see the Theme section, which is toward the bottom of the general settings. When you see the theme options, you'll notice a couple of choices. One will be light mode, and the other will be dark mode. You want to click on the dark option. As soon as you click that, you'll notice that the interface changes instantly to a darker color scheme. This not only looks sleek and modern, but can also be easier on the eyes, especially during long meetings or late-night calls. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Zoom. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in your overall experience while using the app. So now that you know how to do this, think about when you might want to use dark mode. It's especially handy if you find yourself in low-light environments or if you simply prefer a darker aesthetic in your applications. Plus, switching back to the light mode is just as easy if you ever want to change it up again. You would just go back into your settings and select the light option. And voila, you're back to the classic look. Before you go, a quick reminder. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and allows us to create more instructional content for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, cooler-looking Zoom experience with dark mode on. I'm sure it will make your video meetings just a little bit more enjoyable. If you have any questions, or if there's something else you'd like to learn about Zoom or any other application, leave a comment below. I love hearing your suggestions,